Welcome back, investors, to Ticker Time News. I'm Adam, and today we're talking about Snowflake, ticker symbol SNOW, SNOW. Snowflake closed today down 4.2% at $292 and further falling 1.4% to $288 in after hours trading. Snowflake recently IPO'd in mid September, and wow, have they just taken off right out of the gate. They have been a high flyer for sure. But Snowflake is debuting their first earnings report today, showing Q3 earnings show product revenue of $148.5 million dollars, and the company says that represents 115% growth year over year. Although I must say, initial public earnings reports are a bit hard to gauge sometimes. Snowflake currently has over 3,500 customers, and get this, 65 customers paying Snowflake over $1 million annually. Hopefully, they can continue to grow that segment. Now, if we scroll down here to their earnings report, you can see their product revenue here. Now, their product gross profit, which is this next highlighted section, $96.7 million with a margin of 65%. That's pretty good. But then look at this, their operating loss of $169.5 million. Now, if we skip ahead to their financial outlook, their guidance for Q4 puts product revenue right about 162 to 167 million dollars. And for their full year as a company publicly traded, growth of 113 to 115%. Now, let's hop over to TradingView. Now, one thing to point out here, Snowflake Q3 loss wider than expected, and let's see what they said. Snowflake on Wednesday reported Q3 loss of $1.01 per share, narrower than the loss of $1.92 a year ago. The result was wider than the 37-cent loss that they were predicting. Now, looking at the chart, you can see there's not a lot to go on. They only IPO'd in mid September, but there are some lines starting to emerge that we can gauge a few things on. Number one, we can see that there is a bit of a support level for Snowflake around the $233 mark, and there's a bit of a resistance level here right around the 273 per share trading mark. So this channel right here kind of has been their trading channel since beginning. Obviously, they've had some highs and some lows outside of this. And you can see this dark purple line. This is a bit of a trend line that's starting to form for them. And we'll see, they closed right on that trend line. So we'll see what happens, whether they can bounce up or if they're going to fall a little bit further. And you can see since mid November, November 16th, they started in this ascending trading channel all the way up, of course, working their way up to their very first earnings report. And then since the earnings report came out, it has sold off some. But that's a look at Snowflake. If you are looking to get in, I would try, right around this 260 mark, 230 mark, and somewhere in between there. That might be a good time for you to hop in if you like the story of Snowflake so far. But that's it for this video. I'll be sure to see you in the next one. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos about your favorite ticker symbol.